This 2nd October marks the 152nd birthday of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. To celebrate his life and his work, we have put together a few facts and reflections on his legacy and why he continues to inspire generations. Gandhi was skeptical about railways. In his autobiography, Hind Swaraj, Gandhi dedicated multiple paragraphs to his criticism of the railways. He blamed the railways for the spread of the bubonic plague amongst many other evils of the society. He said, quote, "Railways accentuate the evil nature of man. Bad men fulfill their evil designs with greater rapidity. Good travels at a snail's pace. Therefore, it can have very little to do with the railways." Gandhi and the Russian author Leo Tolstoy wrote letters to each other. Gandhi's first letter explained the religious duties and state laws experienced by the Indians living in South African province of Transvaal. He asked Tolstoy to express his views on morality. Gandhi read Tolstoy's works during his jail time in 1909. Over the course of many years, many fake quotes have been attributed to Gandhi. Here are some examples. "Be the change you wish to see in the world," not said by Gandhi. "An eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, then you win." This too was not said by Gandhi. "Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever." This too was not said by Gandhi. On cows, even though Gandhi asserted that Hindus must respect and worship cows, upon being asked if cow slaughter should be stopped, Gandhi said the following: "In India, no law can be made to ban cow slaughter. I do not doubt that Hindus are forbidden from the slaughter of cows. I have long pledged to serve the cow, but how can my religion also be the religion of the rest of the Indians? It will mean coercion against those Indians who are not Hindus." Gandhi was of the view that consumeristic lifestyle and globalization had a massive impact on the environment, with major consequences like global warming, famine, and soil erosion. Gandhi believed that in a global age, there is still hope to transform the consumerist lifestyle into good living, with full cooperation, coordination, and harmony with nature. Many do not know this, but Gandhi spoke English with an Irish accent. It was because one of his earliest teachers was an Irishman. Rumors about Gandhi's assassination were flooding online, and some were even calling it a hoax. This resulted in an RTI being filed by Himanta Panda from Odisha, who demanded that the original charge sheet and FIR registered on the day of Gandhi's death be released. After some roadblocks, it was eventually released, which gave the exact details of the events that transpired on the day. Here is what the FIR looked like. In a world where we are increasingly seeing a divide between those who have differences of opinions, Gandhi continues to be a symbol of peace, truth, and harmony.